You've come to the right place, Niji and Nijikwe, to learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. La 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 la. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, NANABOOZHOO loves Natasha. Oh,
Well, I woke up this morning, gazed out of my window, and I saw the shining sun. So I crept a little closer to get a better look and realized my life had just begun. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So I went for a walk and I sat in the park and I thought, I gathered my thoughts, and then from a distance I saw you standing there and I just froze up. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you do at a time like this? What do you say at a time like this? Where do you go at a time like this? What do you do? What do you do at a time like this?
How's it going? Yeah, got the big writer and illustrator with us today, Mr. Michael Lyons. And Michael's not only the creator of this show, he's also a cartoonist. And today we're going to focus on a book Michael wrote and illustrated. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is Mazini Igan Winini, artist. Michael does a lot of stuff, so he's kind of an artist. And one of the books he wrote and illustrated is BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO. BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO, and it's a story of a little squirrel, AJIDAMOO, who goes on a walk and I don't know, says hello to a bunch of animals. So you get to learn a whole bunch of animal names in Ojibwe-Moan, like AJIDAMOO is squirrel, Gizis is sun, Gigi Ganashin, chickadee, Mamengwa, butterfly, and on and on. So I was thinking, honey, you want to do something? How about, if it's cool with you, Michael, we read this book for the folks, and I'll read AJIDAMOO, and you can read all the other animals. Yeah, okay. All right. So this is BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO by Michael Lyons. There's the cover page. There's AJIDAMOO walking from the sun. Okay, go ahead, sweetie.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO. Hello, squirrel.
BOOZHOO, Gizis. Hello, sun. It's a sunny day.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO. Hello, squirrel.
BOOZHOO, Gigi Ganashin. Hello, chickadee.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO, Memengwa. Hello, butterfly. Saying hello to the butterfly and the chickadee. BOOZHOO Seban. BOOZHOO Seban. Hello, raccoon. That raccoon is sleeping. He's trying to wake him up.
Huh? Oh, BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO.
He just woke him up. Now he's laughing.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO Andeg. BOOZHOO Andeg. Hello, crow.
BOOZHOO AJIDA.
Oh, what's he see there? It's a flying saucer. Pika! Wait! Pika! Wait, what are you doing? Your hummingbird's going right after him. Hoa!
BOOZHOO Niji. Hello, brother. BOOZHOO Nenukasi Indigenakaz. Hello, hummingbird is my name. BOOZHOO. I think the aliens like using telekinetics.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO Indigenakaz. Hello, AJIDAMOO is my name.
Stephen Indigenakaz. Stephen is my name. Majada.
AJIDAMOO's thinking about it, but I don't think, Steven's saying, let's go. And Hummingbird's not sure about it.
AJIDAMOO, Gecko! AJIDAMOO, don't!
Gigawabamin, Minoa. I'll see you later. That old squirrel, he's gonna go on a joyride in the UFO, in the spaceship. Gigawabamin, Aki. Goodbye, Earth. Or I'll see you, Earth. Gigawabamin, Dibik Gizis. I'll see you, Moon. I'll see you, Moon and Earth. Hoa. Hoa is the Ojibwe word for ufta in Norwegian. And then he does a big U-turn. And he comes back and he's like, BOOZHOO Dibik Gizis. Hello, Moon. BOOZHOO Aki. Hello, Earth. Now he's saying hello to the moon and the earth. BOOZHOO Deepak Jesus. BOOZHOO Aki. Oh, and he comes in, he's getting teleported. Aho, me gwetch. That's like, oh, thank you, really, really thank you. Thank you a lot. Aho, me gwetch. He's grateful for his little joyride into outer space. Gigawabamin, Steven. I'll see you, Steven.
Gigawabaman, Ajidamoo. I'll see you, Ajidamoo. I'll see you, red squirrel.
They're waving goodbye. It's also the end of the day. Now he flies away and Ajidamoo's there and he's thinking, oh, oh, he went on a big adventure. And there you have it. BOOZHOO Ajidamoo. Hello, red squirrel. And if you'd like to order the book, click the link. But otherwise, I'd like to say miigwech to our special guest, Michael Lyons. And thank you for being on the show. And with that said, I want to say miigwech to Hennepin County Library for asking us to share one of our books. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa. Alright. Good job, buddy. You too, sweetie.
Wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy, and he only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say, Mina bashki mina sagani betu sejikani, Agwejigan, Mina bashki mina sagani betu sejikani. Agwejigan, Mina bashki mina sagani betu sejikani. Agwejigan, Mina bashki mina sagani betu sejikani. Agwejigan. Bashki mina sagani betu sejikani. Agwejigan, Mina bashki mina sagani betu sejikani. Agwejigan, Mina bashki mina sagani betu sejikani. Agwejigan, Mina bashki mina sagani betu sejikani.
Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, you can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe account. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order. You know, I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like Ojibwe, and Dog and Manga, BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO, many more. Click the links below. Miigwech.
So yeah. Anyway.
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room get hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. And you show us everything you've got. Oh baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.